specifically, welcome to Pass Island. And Pass Island is the little island that you can see right here in the center with a little sand at the front. It's a very beautiful island, and that's where we're heading. It's about 8-10 in the morning, and it's always good to come very early in the morning because the tourists from Coron and from the other islands start arriving by 11 and 12. So we normally come about 8 a.m. and then we leave by about 1 or 2 p.m. and it starts to get crowded. This is a beautiful beach, beautiful little island. When you arrive, it costs 200 pesos per head to get on, and they have toilets and they have little areas where you can eat. They have little cubos where you can stay overnight, and once we get to the island I'll give you a tour, but it's really cool. And if you look around at the other islands, you can see we're surrounded by islands, and Jane and I just live 20 minutes away from this. Later on when we're on the island, I'll point back at the house and show you where we are. But this is our garden, this is our neighborhood, and it's very wonderful to be living here. It's a great privilege. We absolutely love it out here, and you're always welcome to come and visit us. We'd love to see you. You should be here with us. And it's a beautiful day. We're at the end of May. It's May 20 today. It's actually my birthday, which is why we're coming here. I'm 61 today. And we're coming just to have a little day holiday, just to celebrate my birthday. And because it's the end of the May, we're about to start rainy season. So this is probably one of the last trips we do this year to Pass Island. And June to November-ish, we have rainy season, and the next like July, August, September, very heavy rains, but still get beautiful days as well. And you can still go out to the islands, you can still go snorkeling, you can still go diving even though it's raining. There are days when you cannot because it's just way too heavy, but there are other things to do in the area. So even though it's rainy season, you can still come to Busuanga Island. You still come to the Philippines and have a look around. So we're nearly there. Maybe another 5-10 minutes we'll be on the island, and then once we're there we'll give you a look at the tour around. We'll then just have a look. Here's one of our boatmen. We've got our own private boat, and I brought my dog with me, Ojaro. It's his day out too, and Jane is here. Say hello, Jane. And then there's our other boatman. And we have our own little private boat. Ojaro, say hello. Yeah, so a beautiful day, glorious day. And once we get to the island, let's talk again, and I'll give you a tour of the island.